Hi guys, if you are new here, please subscribe, ring the notification bell, like, comment and share. For returning subscribers, thanks so much for your support. You've been so wonderful. For these ombre lips, I started by using my lip balm to moisturize my lip so that it doesn't look flaky or chapped. Then went ahead to outline my lips with a brown lip liner. In outlining the upper lip, I made this look a little bit overdrawn as a V-shaped part of the lip. Then when I was outlining the lower lip, I didn't overdraw it so that my lip doesn't look too big. Then I applied my darker color of lipstick in the shade chocolate brown to the corners of my lips, avoiding the pout. Then I applied my lighter lipstick on the pout of the lips, then blended it out. Avoiding the outer edge of my lips too. After that, I blended with a lip brush to avoid harsh line there. Now I'll be concealing with a concealer that is the color of my foundation, so that it will be easier for me to blend out the whole colors. This concealer makes the lip appear a bit smaller and makes the line defined. I conceal the upper lip too, paying attention to the V shape of the lip. In concealing the middle upper lip, at that V shape, I concealed it, then pointed it a bit towards my lip. Then darkened the darker parts of the lip with a lip liner. After this, I'll be using my bronzer to highlight the V shape of my lip. This is the final look. I hope you enjoyed this video. So please subscribe, ring the notification bell. Thank you for watching.